Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I'm participating in a fun Spellbinders Blog Hop to celebrate their July 2022 club kits. For information on the hop, you can head over to my coordinating blog post. That link is provided in the description box below, or you can simply head over to KristieMarcotte.com. For my cards, I'll be using the July card kit of the month. The theme is Under the Sea Magic. I love this kit. It has so many beautiful colors and designs. For card design number 1, I'm using a card sketch for inspiration. This is from Mojo Monday. It's sketch number 323. I selected this beautiful wood grain pattern paper that has lots of tiny anchors on it. On the card sketch, there's 3 skinny little strips. I decided to use some Love from Lizi peel-offs for that. These are the gold moondust color in the pinstripe style. For the background, I'm using one of the card bases that's included in the card kit. It has this nice linen finish. I cut that down to 4 by 5¼ inches. Then I layered the background on some teal cardstock. Next, I'll add another lovely pattern paper. It has a tone-on-tone print, kind of looks like seaweed or plants in the background. I cut it out using a circle die. And just for some extra stability, I cut out a second circle die cut from some scrap cardstock and glued those 2 circles together. Then I put some liquid adhesive on the back and adhered that circle onto my card. Next, I'll add one of the die cut pieces. It's this fun anchor in gold. Just glue that down using some liquid adhesive. This sentiment is also one of the die cut pieces included in the kit. This is Today is Your Day. Before adhering it to my card, I did put some scrap cardstock underneath on the right side. And the scrap pieces will help keep the sentiment strip at the same level as the circle die cut. I'll adhere that in place using some liquid adhesive. To finish off the card, I'm using some more Love from Lizi peel-offs, this time the mini circle style in gold. Using the medium size circle and putting 3 of them to the right of the anchor pattern paper. So there is my finished card, and I did make 2 using this design. Since I donate a lot of my cards, I do like to keep some of them fairly flat without adding all the extra dimension or bling. Now moving on to card design number 2. I selected this beautiful alcohol print looking pattern paper. I cut the paper to an A2 size panel, 4¼ inches by 5½ inches. It's so beautiful, I decided not to even add a cardstock layer. To help the images pop a little bit against that background, I will be adding a vellum oval. I used some of the dies that are included in the card kit. There are 2 different mermaids. Cut one out from some pink pearlescent cardstock and the other from some dark purple pearlescent cardstock. I'll adhere all those images onto the oval first before adhering my oval onto my card. So I also put a few of the starfish. I used some of the gold mirror cardstock that's included in the kit for all of the starfish. I love that there are 3 different styles of the starfish. I'll add 2 of them onto the oval with the mermaids. Once the images are attached to the oval, I'll flip it over, add adhesive just on the back side where the images are. That way none of the adhesive will show through that vellum. For the sentiment on the card, I'm using one of the chipboard stickers that's included in the kit. This is Your Mermazing. These are stickers, so they do have adhesive on the back, but I like to add a little bit of liquid adhesive as well, just to make sure they stay in place. I'll add a few more of the starfish. Then for a final finishing touch, I'll add some of these beautiful glitter gem stickers that are included in the kit. And again, they do have adhesive on the back, but I like to add just that little drop of liquid adhesive to make sure they don't pop off later. So there is my finished card, and I did make 2 using this design. For the second card, I used a different chipboard sticker, Believe in Magic. I love all the beautiful pattern paper that's included in the kit this month. For card design number 3, the card sketch is from MFT. This is number 286. The background pattern paper has a newsprint design and lots of little colorful hexagons. Some of them even have that gold foil finish. For the strips at the bottom of the card, I selected 2 tone-on-tone pattern papers. I have that same green leaf pattern and then a floral purple pattern for that narrow strip at the bottom. I layered the background on some purple cardstock. Then I'll put some ATG tape on the back and adhere my card front onto a card base. All of my cards in this video are American Standard A2 size, 5.5 inches by 4.25 inches. For the image on the card, I'm using one of the die cut pieces. And I've already put foam dimension on the back to pop it up. So it's beautiful purple tone-on-tone design with a gold seahorse. I'll also add a couple of the gold star die cut pieces in the upper left-hand corner, and I did pop up those as well. The sentiment is Celebrate Today. This is another die cut piece. I did put some foam dimension on the left side and then a little bit of liquid adhesive on the right where it's sitting on top of that circle die cut. So there is my finished card, and I did make 2 using this design. It's so easy to make lots of fun cards using Spellbinders card kits. Now here's another look at the 6 cards I made using Spellbinders July 2022 Card Kit of the Month. The theme is Under the Sea Magic. If you missed my first video where I made 20 cards using this kit, I will add a link in the description box and also at the end of this video. I will also include a link if you're interested in subscribing to any of Spellbinders club kits. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.